today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn off the phone, you need to press the power key button here on the right side of your device for a few seconds. And if you got the same Wixby application, open it like in my case. So you should just click here to the settings application, tap and then to the advanced features and click to the side key. And now, as can you see, by press and hold our power key, we can wake Wixby, but you should switch it to power out to open the power F menu. And now when we'll just hold for a while on our power key here, we'll open the power off menu. We should just click here to power off icon and confirm to tap again to the power off icon. Wait a second, and now as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.